Hi, I'm Christina Monte-Fisher, and today I'm going to show you how I make my gluten-free crust for my yummy cashew cheesecake. You want to just put some cooking spray at the bottom of your pan. The next step is you want to put the pecans into your food processor. We're going to add the dates. We're going to add the sea salt. Okay, so you're just going to give it a few pulses. So I think it's important. I'm just going to add a teaspoon at a time of water. I'm going to do like 3 teaspoons. You don't want to go crazy. Okay, 4 teaspoons. That is perfect, perfect. Okay, so I'm just filling my springform pan with my crust. Oh my gosh, so good. And now I'm just gonna press it all down. I like using my hands. This works the best for me. Whatever you do, it should just be even all the way around. All you need is cashews, coconut oil, maple syrup, lemon juice, and a little bit of vanilla. I have actually soaked my cashews in water overnight, and I've rinsed and drained them. I'm going to add them to the blender. Here we go. They're going to make a creamy, dreamy vegan cheesecake. Next is a little bit of coconut oil, then the maple syrup. Then you want to put in the fresh squeezed lemon juice. And last but certainly not least, some vanilla extract. Make sure your lid is nice and sealed tightly, and here we go. All right, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna press it down a little bit and then run it again. This comes out so creamy. If it's seeming like it's coming out way too thick, you can always add a little bit of water. I don't do that because I like this to really feel like cheesecake. This one is, wow. Look how creamy and yummy that is. Look at that. That's the texture you want. Okay, so my amazing cashew cheesecake filling is made, and I'm just gonna pour it into the pan where I have the crust already prepared. We're just gonna smooth it out. So I have all of the cheesecake filling from my blender, and I'm just gonna smooth it out here. Smooth the cheesecake mixture on the crust, then put it in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Once the cheesecake has completely frozen, remove it from the freezer, unlock the springform pan, remove the cheesecake from the pan, and add a delicious fruit topping. I like to use my Raspberry Chia Jam. So you're going to start by putting a saucepan over medium-high heat, fresh raspberries. I'm just going to plop them in there. Then I'm doing ½ a cup of organic sugar. Keep an eye on it. My stove is super hot, so I'm going to reduce it. Then what you want to do is you want to take 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm just going to get it in there. I'm going to mix it. It's just like making jam, almost. We're not using pectin, and we're not going to can today because we are going to use this over my vegan cheesecake. Then you want to add in the lemon juice with the cornstarch. That's going to help thicken it up. Once you turn off the heat, add the chia seeds. Three minutes later, I've got Raspberry Chia Seed Jam. It's looking really good. I'm just going to transfer it to a heat-proof bowl. And then put it in your refrigerator for a couple of hours and it will be good to go. Chilled it for a while, put it in the fridge, and now I'm going to spread this all over the cheesecake.
Like, save, share, and remember you are deeply loved by God.